This is the 2016 Pathfinder 2200. And let's walk you down port. And let's walk you down starboard. And here's a good view of this Minn Kota iPilot. And this is the GPS trolling system. And here's a good view of this 2023 Yamaha. Now, when this owner bought it back in 2023, he immediately repowered it because he wanted the Yamaha 250 four-stroke on there. And I think this motor, I believe it only got like 85 hours. The boat in total's only got 110 hours on it. And this motor is under warranty until 2028. And this will show you the aft seating. And here you'll see Pathfinder gives you great access to your aft workings. And here in the center between the seats, you'll see a live well. And then if I come over to the aft port, you'll see another large live well. And that brings us to the back of the helm seat. And keep in mind that the backrest can be removed. And then you're going to see rod holders and cup holders in the back. And down below, just a very large cooler. And a good time to point out that there's rod holders and cup holders all over this boat, as well as rod storage. And here's a good view of the helm seat, and you'll see I put the footrest down. And then if I just come up here and I just pull on the back of the seat, you'll see we have storage underneath. And that brings us to our helm. And let's start at the top. And I just love the thinking of the grab rail around the windshield. Then you've got your anchor light. Come down below, you've got your Garmin GPSMAP 741 XS. And that right there displayed is the GPS as well as the sonar. And then if I move over here, you got your power pole remote. You've got your Bluetooth Infinity stereo, your trim tabs, your Yamaha display, and then within easy reach of the captain, all your switches. And then if I come down below, you've got lockable storage. Now, if I move to the side of the console, this might be one of my favorite things about this Pathfinder is if you open up here, you've got your battery switches. I know it seems very trivial, but you don't even have to bend over, and it's right in the side of the console. I just think that's really, really great thinking. And then down below, you're going to see rod holders, and that is on both sides. And that brings us up to the bow, and you see we've got the seating package in. Now, of course, this is all removable, but I think Pathfinder does a great job with the seating package. So this boat is at home with a day at the sandbar. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of these compartments. And now if I just pull on the backrest in the front of the helm, you'll see storage. And then behind that, you have access to all your helm, which I just love. And keep in mind, this boat is outfitted with 3 batteries. And also the battery charging system, you might be able to see right there. It's the Precision system by Minn Kota. And now if I lift up on the back here, up pops on hinge. And you'll see you've got your Garmin and Yamaha display covers. And also you've got the cover for the helm as well as the helm seat. Those are the covers that this owner uses. It also comes with a full cover for the boat. But just keep in mind, the owner says there's a small tear in it. He doesn't use it, but it is going with the boat. And then moving to starboard, you'll see in a lockable compartment, open up, and you've got rod storage in a big storage compartment, as well as lines that are going with the boat. And here on the port side, once again, just huge storage, and you'll see the anchor lights in there, as well as some things that are going with the boat in that Pathfinder bag. And that brings us to front and center, and you'll see the owner's got a Coast Guard kit going with the boat. You'll see fire extinguisher, flares, life preserver, throwable. He can't guarantee the dates on the extinguisher and the flares, but the Coast Guard kit is going with the boat. And this will give you a view of the anchor system and road. And now's the time of the video where I give a condition report and I name opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat. And let's start with how the boat is outfitted. This owner went out in 2023 and put the Yamaha 250 on. That has another couple years of warranty left. And he also bought an AmeraTrail trailer for this boat. It's custom to the Pathfinder 2200. That's a 2023. It's got the Minn Kota iPilot as well as the power pole, Garmin GPS sonar, Bluetooth Infinity. It's got the Yamaha display. It has the full seating package as well, of course, as the full fishing package. It just seems like if somebody's looking for a Pathfinder and they want the complete package that's low hour, very well taken care of, this may be their boat. In terms of opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat, I mean, it shows very well. I don't see much of anywhere really around on the boat. And the only thing the owner's aware of not working is this 12-volt charger. That's the only thing he's aware of not working. It just seems like the complete package, very well taken care of, and is ready for some spring boating.